Cooper Flagg is an American basketball player. He attended Nokomis Regional High School in Newport, Maine as a freshman before transferring to Montverde Academy in Montverde, Florida. Flagg won multiple National High School Player of the Year honors as a senior and was ranked the top recruit in the 2024 class. Flagg was born in Newport, Maine and initially attended Nokomis Regional High School. He became the first freshman to be named the Maine Gatorade Player of the Year after averaging 20.5 points, 10 rebounds, 6.2 assists, 3.7 steals and 3.7 blocks per game. Nokomis won the Class A state championship with Flagg scoring 22 points and grabbing 16 rebounds in a 43-27 win against Falmouth High School in the state final. Flagg's mother Kelly played college basketball at Maine where she was a team captain as a senior. His father Ralph played NJCAA basketball at Eastern Maine Community College. Flagg has a fraternal twin brother Ace who was a teammate at Nokomis, transferred to Montverde and has since verbally committed to play at Maine starting in 2025-26. Flagg's older brother Hunter was also a Nokomis basketball player and was a senior when the former was a freshman. His family relocated from Newport to Florida after he and his twin brother transferred to Montverde Academy. Flagg played for the United States Under-17 basketball team at the 2022 FIBA Under-17 Basketball World Cup. He was named to the All-Tournament team after averaging 9.3 points, 10 rebounds, 2.9 block shots and 2.4 steals per game as the United States won the gold medal. Flagg scored 10 points with 17 rebounds, 8 steals and 4 blocked shots in a 79-67 win over Spain in the final. He was named the 2022 USA Basketball Male Athlete of the Year for his performance in the Under-17 World Cup and is the youngest player to win the award. Flagg was named to the USA Select Team to practice with the United States men's national team in preparation for the 2024 Summer Olympics. On March 13, 2025, Duke would go on to defeat Georgia Tech 78-70 in the quarterfinals of the ACC tournament despite Flagg leaving the game due to a sprained ankle injury which forced him to miss the rest of the tournament. On March 15, Duke defeated Louisville 73-62 in the ACC tournament championship game. Flagg and Duke entered the NCAA tournament as the number 1 seed in the East region and defeated both Mount St. Mary's and Baylor in the first and second rounds of the tournament. On March 27, Flagg scored 30 points, 6 rebounds and 7 assists in a 100-93 win over Arizona in the Sweet 16. On March 29, Flagg added 16 points and 9 rebounds in a 85-65 victory against Alabama in the Elite 8. On April 5, Flagg scored 27 points, 7 rebounds and 3 blocks in a 70-67 loss against Houston in the Final Four. Following his freshman season, Flagg declared for the 2025 NBA draft, foregoing his remaining college eligibility.